Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm sure all of you must be busy getting ready for Christmas, right? In this video, I'm sharing a cardboard Christmas craft DIY. So let's get started. First, on the piece of cardboard, I drew 8 houses. They're all different shapes and sizes, as you can see. Next, I cut out the windows and doors. As you can see, the doors are decorative doors because I wanted them to look like those glass doors that are decorative. So I had to do some more cutting on those. Make sure to use a sharp blade for this step. That will make the cutting easy. And now the cut structure of houses is ready. I painted the whole structure with the white paint. It acts as a primer and the surface gets ready for painting or crafting. Here I am making the shapes of the roofs on the piece of cardboard because I wanted to show the roofs are covered with snow. You will see what I'm doing here. I mean, sometimes pictures explain better what you want to say in words, right? I wanted to make the whole structure colorful, so I used Christmas colors to paint the houses. And now the snow looks more like snow. I wanted the Christmas decorations to show up from the windows and doors like it usually does. So I used this sheer ribbon. It can act as curtain or it can look like Christmas decorations. While sticking the ribbon, please make sure that you are sticking it uniformly because if it gets pulled on the corners, then it looks bad from outside. I wanted to decorate the windows and doors from outside as well. So I used the golden pipe cleaner, wrapped it around other colored pipe cleaner. And now this will act as a garland for our doors and windows. And here it is. It's going all around the doors and windows. A little wreath for our house as well. It looks so sparkly and lavish. I wanted to incorporate some designs like they are on the gingerbread house, so I drew those designs first and then I painted them. The designs on the houses make these houses look so festive and beautiful. I cannot imagine doing these crafts without the designs. I applied some glue on the roof and then I poured some glitter on it. So now it really looks like snow. Here I am making the base for our structure. So I used 4 slats of cardboard and then I stuck one over the other. Then I drew 2 lines as I shown here. Then I carved between those 2 lines to make a ditch, and then I inserted the house structure in that ditch. I added some more support on both the sides of the structure so it won't be wobbly. I wanted to show some snow outside the house, so I used fiber fill for snow. And the final reveal. This is how it looks during the day. You can see all the colors and all the decorations and all the designs on it. This is how it looks when it's not completely dark yet, but you still can see the designs, the decorations, the colors and everything. And this is how it looks in the night. Which one is your favorite? If you ask me, I liked all of them. Of course, I am biased. If you want to watch more of my cardboard crafts, please click on one of these.